Okay, today is November 24th, 2020. Volatile trades today. Super volatile. I'm going to go over day 109 and day 110. And yeah, all I'm going to say is this market is crazy. Things are just holding. It's hard to short in this market. You got to take profits quicker and you can't be overstaying. And recently I've been overstaying. So yeah, it's been a frustrating market. I'm still making money, but the problem is I'm going through some crazy swings today. This morning, felt like throwing up because I was oversized, over leveraged, and I mean, luckily we came back, but we were down about, I'd say at the peak was $3,000, and unrealized, didn't realize anything. And today's trade was FCEL. We shorted pre-market before open. We were up a little bit. We didn't take any profits. We then held through the open and ended up coming up to 140, I think was the top. And yeah, at that peak, we were down $3,000. And I was just oversized, over leveraged, and had to hold through that swing. I mean, the same strategy is, these gappers are going to, eventually come down because they're just overbought and overextended. And something I need to work on is putting on starters, putting on smaller sizing for the front side, and adjusting accordingly. And honestly, I may just try to wait for backsides of the move and wait for a top to hit, because I think this market is just a little bit crazy. I also bought ACB this morning. Did not take I took a scratch on that. It was just pot stocks are going up because of the election, and I think people are getting more confident in pot companies. So that I bought some, and I should have maybe held, but I just ended up taking it off. It's been quite the emotional morning. So yesterday we traded Solo, SOLO, and that was I guess that was a pretty good trade. I mean, we were up at the peak about $1,000, but ended up coming back up and basing, and we shorted into 1030, and we ended up just taking it off around $10. So we just made like $400, but we could have made more today. Solo actually ended up coming down, so maybe if I held overnight, we would have, got a little bit more. But you can't predict it, you can't nail it all the time. And yeah, so day 109, we made, I think I want to say 300 and some change. And today's day 111. Yesterday was the day 110. Day 111, we only made $20 after a huge swing. So I'm just glad I made the money back and then made $20, and we're just gonna call it a day. Pretty sloppy day, honestly. So we're gonna reset, hit it tomorrow, and hopefully we can make some good money this week. All right, we'll see you tomorrow.